Hi Kitty, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a football, so let's get started. First, start by drawing a circle here. And then 2 round big eyes. Insert with a circle and another smaller circle. A curve. Here also. Insert with lines. And the mouth. Now just following with me. Draw the line slowly. You can just follow in with me slowly. Connect the line. Now we have a football. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.